The Matchbox Train is a terrific toy. All you need to make it is a old matchbox, a long needle and a thread. Now weave 1.5 meters thread in a long needle, poke it in the strike end and take it out diagonally through the drawer. The needle would go at a slant. Once again, poke the needle in the drawer and take it out from the middle of the strike end. The children might find it a little difficult to do, so that they can seek adult help for this. Now both the threads would be inside the matchbox at a slant. The thread is around 1.5 meters long. Tie a knot in both the ends of the thread and then with a scissors nip both the ends. Now weave the threads in the thumb and the little finger of the left and the right finger of the right hands and pull the thread. Now if you move your left hand now and you stick a rabbit on the matchbox, the rabbit would clamber forth. It's like a matchbox train. Now you can see the rabbit in a close-up over here.